Here I will continue from the last video. I have presented the previous video how to find the sum of two numbers in using a software Flowgorithm. I will here demonstrate how to prepare a conditional statement using this Flowgorithm. You have done a good job here. Which flowchart symbols is more appropriate decision? For example, how do you determine whether a given number is even or odd? You divide the number by 2, and if the main digit is not 0, then you say the number is odd. Which flowchart symbol is more appropriate? Decision or if? We have to use this for kind of statement. As you can see in the flowchart, a variable number is declared and an integer is accepted into it with an input symbol. There is a prompt, enter an integer. We should prepare a prompt which is enter an integer that we check. Then as output before the input to order the person to key in the number. The next symbol is a diamond decision with the condition. Then we will check, we will type number divided by 2 is equal to 0. If the number divided by 2, the remainder is 0. Flowgorithm uses percentage as a special operator called module divide, which gives the remainder of an integer division. For example, 14 divided by 3, the remainder is 2, which is the remainder. This operator is the same as mod in Excel. Mod we will use for this mod. It says we have to use a mod. Check says mod 14.3. Which is equal to mod of 14.3. What it gives? Click on this enter, it gives you 2. What does it mean? The remainder is 2. When we divide the number 14 by 3, the quotient is 4, then 4 times 3 is 12, the remainder is 2. Therefore, it gives you 3 mod. Then the condition checks whether the remainder is equal to 0 or not. The flow to output the number is even goes only if the remainder is equal to 0. Otherwise, the flow moves towards the number is odd direction. For this problem, let me on this video, let me prepare a flowchart. Double click, then declare this n is the number. Then on output, enter the number. To check whether it is even or odd. Then accepting the number as an input from the keyboard, which is n. When you enter from the keyboard, it accepts. Then we'll go to the if condition. What is the condition test? N divided by 2, which is equal to 0. When divided by 2, the remainder is 0. It is true. If it is true, give it or say the number is even. Otherwise, number is odd. Then play. Enter the number to check. For instance, 12. The number is even. Run again. 13. Is a remainder. Therefore, the number is odd. Possible to change this number into source code. Here is a source code viewer. You can change into Java, or you can change into Python, and you can check this code in a programming language. We have developed a flowchart, means almost we have changed or where we have developed the program. The other is preparing a loop. Let me find out the sum of 10 numbers. 10 numbers. Here, declaring which is n, declaring which is a sum, then assigning as a formula which is n starts from 1, counting number, and the sum by default it is 0. Sum is 0. What's going to do? The while loop. The while loop is n find out the sum of less than 10. N less than 10. Here, if it is true, do these two formulas. N is n plus 1. It increments by 1. And sum is, which is equal to sum plus adding n. If it is looping, if it is true, it adds up to it becomes the end of number which is less than 10. If it is false, give us an output, the sum of natural numbers less than 10 is, then using closing the quotation space and sum, don't forget, and the sum SUM, finding out the sum, then play now. As you have seen, the sum is natural number less than 10 is 54. It's possible to change here. It's possible to change here, just producing a sum first, sum, which is sum plus 1. Here is n, n it increments by 1. N plus 1. As you have seen, and here as a sum and plus n. Here is 45. When we include 10, which is less than or equal to, it gives you, including 10, it should give 55. 55, as you have seen. Possible to change this flowchart into code, source code, as you have seen. Here is a Python. You can change into Java also, this program, or JavaScript. If you have a skill to develop a flowchart, means you have easily developed a program. By this means you can develop your skills by practice well. For today, thank you.